Cooking has never been easier or more enjoyable than with this Farberware Dishwasher-safe Non-Stick Jumbo Cooker Saute Pan with helper handles 6 quart. Designed for home cooks who demand durability, performance, and convenience, this jumbo cooker brings versatility to your kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a hearty one-pan meal for the family or preparing large side dishes for a festive gathering, this cookware promises to be your reliable partner. Overview: the perfect combination of functionality and design. Farberware has been a trusted name in cookware for over 100 years, and their dishwasher-safe non-stick jumbo cooker lives up to the brand's reputation for quality and innovation. The pan's 6-quart capacity is ideal for cooking large portions, making it a must-have for families or individuals who love to meal prep. With its heavy-duty aluminum construction, premium non-stick interior, and thoughtful features, it's a game-changer for both amateur and professional chefs. Key features that make it stand out. 1. Large cooking capacity. The 6-quart size is perfect for creating meals in bulk. From sautéing vegetables to simmering sauces, this pan accommodates it all. Its wide, shallow design ensures even cooking and easy stirring. 2. Heavy-duty aluminum construction. The pan is built with high-quality aluminum that distributes heat quickly and evenly, eliminating the risk of hot spots that can burn your food. 3. Durable non-stick coating. Cooking is hassle-free, thanks to the premium non-stick interior. It ensures effortless food release and reduces the need for excessive oil, promoting healthier cooking. 4. Helper handle for convenience. The double-riveted main handle provides a sturdy grip, while the helper handle adds extra support, making it easier to lift and maneuver the pan when it's filled with heavy ingredients. 5. Shatter-resistant glass lid. The pan comes with a tight-fitting, shatter-resistant glass lid that traps heat and moisture, helping you achieve perfect cooking results every time. 6. Oven-safe, up to 350 degrees. Fahrenheit. Need to finish your dish in the oven? No problem. This pan transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven, giving you more cooking options. 7. Dishwasher-safe. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply pop the pan into the dishwasher, and it's ready for the next cooking session. Performance in everyday cooking. The Farberware Jumbo Cooker performs exceptionally across a wide range of cooking tasks. Searing and sautéing. The non-stick coating allows for excellent browning without sticking. Perfect for stir-fries or caramelized onions. Simmering and braising. The pan's depth and even heat distribution make it ideal for slow-cooked dishes like stews or curries. Frying and stirring. Whether it's a quick breakfast of scrambled eggs or a batch of fried rice, this pan handles it all with ease. What we loved: versatility. Its size and design make it suitable for various cooking styles. Ease of use. From its comfortable handles to the see-through lid, every feature is designed for convenience. Health-friendly cooking. The non-stick surface allows you to cook with minimal oil. Who should buy this jumbo cooker? This product is ideal for families. Its large size is perfect for cooking meals for the entire family. Meal preppers prepare large batches of food in one go, saving time and effort. Beginner cooks. Its non-stick surface and simple design make it user-friendly. Experienced chefs, even professional cooks, will appreciate its reliable performance. Conclusion: why the Farberware Dishwasher-safe Non-Stick Jumbo Cooker deserves a place in your kitchen. The Farberware Dishwasher-safe Non-Stick Jumbo Cooker Saute Pan with helper handle is more than just a cooking tool. It's a reliable partner in your culinary journey. From its impressive 6-quart capacity to its user-friendly design and durable construction, this pan ticks all the boxes for anyone seeking convenience, versatility, and performance. The premium non-stick surface ensures effortless cooking and cleanup, while the helper handle and shatter-resistant glass lid add a layer of practicality that enhances the cooking experience. Whether you're a busy parent preparing family meals, a home chef exploring new recipes, or a beginner cook looking for a reliable pan, the Farberware Jumbo Cooker is a kitchen essential. Its dishwasher-safe feature makes cleanup stress-free, and the oven-safe design expands your cooking possibilities. In a world where kitchen tools often fall short, this jumbo cooker stands out as a testament to Farberware's commitment to quality and innovation. Invest in this cookware and elevate your everyday cooking with a product that's built to last. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.